Hey guys, do you struggle to make professional presentations on your phone? Let me show you how to create stunning PPTs effortlessly. Hey guys, I am Roshan and in this video I will guide you step by step to create amazing PPT presentations on your mobile device even if you are a beginner. Use apps like Canva, Microsoft PPT, Google Slides to make PPTs. Download it from the Play Store or App Store. Links are in the description, guys. How to use Canva app? After downloading the Canva app from the Play Store or App Store, open the Canva app. You will see the interface like this. You need to sign in this application. Here is presentation. You can click on the presentation. Here are many templates you can customize. आप इसे अपने तरीके से बदल सकते हैं. लेआउट्स भी है. अगर आपको टेम्पलेट से अपना कुछ यूनिक क्रिएट करना है तो आप यहाँ से अपना यूनिक भी ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं, स्लाइड्स बना सकते हैं. Here you can see there are many templates. See, you can search it over here. Let me go back and show you guys. Some this PPT. Click on apply all 19 pages. Here PPT comes and you can slide show from here. Company profile, agenda, about the company. So this way you can make your own and customize this easily by tapping on the text or the frame or other customized things, other customizable things. Now how to use Microsoft After PPT. Downloading the Microsoft PowerPoint application on mobile from the Play Store or App Store, open the Microsoft PowerPoint app on mobile. Here you will see the same interface. Here are my saved files. You can create presentation by this plus sign. You can choose your layout for the slides, create in. You can create, you can customize it, you can add many slides as per your requirement. You can add images. Here you can see, customize it according to your need, the layout of the slide. And if you want anything like transition, how transition will be happen in this app, so let click this and uh, transition. Here click it and home and transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, insert, draw, design. There are these functions over here, so you can easily make it a presentation according to your need. How to use Google Slides app? After downloading the Google Slides app from the Play Store or App Store, open the Google Slides app. Here you need to sign in. By the way, in this application it gets automatically signed in. By the way, in this application it gets automatically signed in. And if you wanna make presentation in this app, to make presentation on this app, click on this plus icon. Here you can choose present layer templates to create presentation. Like I will select this. I can customize it. मैं अपने तरीके से इसको बदल सकता हूँ, अपने तरीके से इसे बना सकता हूँ. इसे बनाने के बाद मैं यहाँ से प्ले कर सकता हूँ. Present on this device, present to a meeting, present to a scheduled meetings, present to scheduled meetings, present on this device, grant permission, slide, allow. Here you can present it by this way. So after making it, make a copy and save it where you want. So this is the tips for making a good presentation. Know your content, practice, engage the audience, speak clearly, body language, use pauses, stay strong. How to present a presentation using Canva
mobile
app, you
can use any app to present your
by clicking on
presentation
this
and
option.
record it through screen recorder.
Here
Here is a demonstration of presentation. Here are more demonstrations
in Google Slides
presentation.
app, in Microsoft PowerPoint app, by clicking on this for presenting the presentation. Present on this device. Here this option present, it's a project. This option we can sign present our presentation very easily. Here you can change the slides. That's the end of slides. Anything, as I didn't mention anything in these slides.